And employers and foreign workers are processing more changes announced just yesterday to a specialized visa program for certain professionals. It's called the H-1B visa.
That's right. The president issued a proclamation last month announcing major changes to the program, which sparked confusion among many visa holders, H-1B holders, and lawyers who specialize in this. Isabel Garcia joins us now in studio with some insight from an immigration attorney specializing in all of this. Isabel, what did we learn today?
Yes, hi Adam and Teresa. There are several components to this visa program, first of which requires sponsorship. So for the cost, it's the business or institution associated with bringing the person, such as a doctor or engineer, to the United States for work. Now, after much confusion and a few walkbacks on what exactly the proclamation was laying out, there is now a guidance on the U.S. Immigration and Customs Service's website for a resource. Lucretia Knapp is an experienced immigration attorney at Mancuso Brightman Law Firm based in Rochester. She first explains what type of skilled professions typically fall under an H-1B visa, also noting her firm works a lot with engineers, architects, and eligibility generally requires a bachelor or higher level of education.
Doctors are a great example. You need an MD, right, to become a doctor. And so it has to be in a position that requires a very special degree type. So it doesn't fit every single occupation, just certain ones.
The presidential proclamation, first issued September 19th, imposed a $100,000 fee for H-1B visa holders starting September 21st. As of Monday this week, the United States Customs and Immigration Services issued updated guidance.
And it was in this walk back yesterday that they clarified that people who are in the United States or workers in the United States who are changing their status or extending their stay or amending their status while in the United States are not subject to the proclamation.
In a statement to News 8, the University of Rochester says it's working with those visa holders and departments to navigate what the proclamation entails, adding, quote, part of this outreach is providing guidance on what re-entry restrictions these visa holders might face if they plan to leave the U.S. or are currently outside of the country, end quote. And Rochester Regional Health says it is also working with its immigration counsel to understand the implications of the recent federal changes. Knapp also tells me there are now multiple pending lawsuits filed against the proclamation at this time.
My hope is, and the expectation is, that a large chunk of the proclamation will also be struck down.
Now, for some added context, Snaps tells me the impact for our industries around our area would not be really felt until spring should the proclamation withstand all of the litigation. Also, another change just announced within the last hour. According to Bloomberg, Walmart, the country's largest private employer, is pausing offering jobs to individuals who need H-1B visas due to the presidential proclamation. This topic, something we will, of course, continue to closely follow. For now, reporting in the studio, Isabel Garcia, News 8.
Get the Rochester First streaming app today for everything you love from News 8 on demand. Plus exclusive shows you won't see anywhere else. Search ROC and download for free on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV.